Dear students, in this video we'll discuss question number 5 of icse sample chemistry paper 2024. Question number 5, first part is Ranjana wants to prove that ammonia is a reducing agent. To demonstrate this, she passes ammonia gas over heated copper oxide. What will she observe? So she will observe that the black copper oxide will change to reddish brown copper. You can write here the color of copper as reddish brown, brown or pink, because all these colors are used in your books. Otherwise the brown is more appropriate, but you can write any color, reddish brown, brown or pink. Then you have to write the balanced chemical equation for the above reaction. So copper oxide on reaction with ammonia will give you, it will be reduced to copper along with the formation of water and nitrogen gas. Now let's balance it. Here we'll put copper oxide 3, 2, 3 copper, 3 water and nitrogen. Now it is balanced. Let's come to question number 2. Name the alloy which is made up of copper, zinc and tin. So that is bronze. Question number 2, B part, lead and tin, that is solder. Question number 3, A part is Seema takes a blue crystalline salt P, which is converted into white anhydrous powder P. On adding zinc to one part and to other, a barium chloride solution is added. Name the compound P. So here, because it is blue crystalline solid, so obviously it will be the hydrated copper sulfate, that is CuSO 4.5 water. But because they have asked the name, so we'll put this in the bracket and write blue vitriol. You can write blue vitriol, or you can also write hydrated copper sulfate or copper sulfate pentahydrate. Mention one observation when zinc is added to solution of P. Now if you will add zinc to copper sulfate, obviously zinc is above copper in the activity series, so it will displace it from copper sulfate solution, and the solution will change from blue to white color. From blue to white. Next is state the color of the precipitate when barium chloride react with solution of P. That is, if you add water to copper anhydrous copper sulfate, you will get and add barium chloride, then the double displacement reaction will take place and you will get barium sulfate. The color of barium sulfate is white. So here a white precipitate will be formed. Okay. You can also show it with the help of a reaction if you want, but otherwise only this much is sufficient. Then give reason. Ethene undergoes addition reaction. Why? Because ethene contains a double bond, and due to the free electrons, it is capable of addition reaction and is much more reactive as compared to alkanes. So you will write as it contains a double bond, which makes it more reactive. Hydrocarbons are used as fuels. Why? Because on burning they liberate a huge amount of energy, and that is why, because they have high calorific value, they are excellent fuels, or they can be used as excellent fuels. Hydrogen chloride gas cannot be collected over water. Why? Because HCl is highly soluble in water. HCl gas is highly soluble in water, and that's why it is not collected over water. You have to write all the answers in a very limited words with all the keywords, and first preference should be given to the answer which has been asked in the question, and then you can support it with any reaction you want or any other explanation that you want to explain. It's your choice, but don't forget to write the answer that has been asked in the question. Suppose here name of the compound, one observation, state the color of the precipitate. So the answer should be written in preference, and you can underline it also, and rest of the explanation, if you want, you can write it in brackets. Thank you, and in the next video we will discuss question number 6.